Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the largest development taking place in St. Anne. This is the Paradisiac Beach Club in St. Anne. And this is a massive development, hundreds of homes under construction. And this development is right on the Northern Coastal Highway and it's in Richmond. And Richmond is very famous for the number one development in Jamaica, or the nicest development in Jamaica, which is Richmond Estate. Now, as you can see, this development consists of apartments, townhouses, houses, and beachfront villas. They range a wide range of units. And it's a luxury development. It has access to the beach. That road you're looking at is a Northern Coastal Highway that takes you from the airport in Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. Very nice development, and this is by far the largest development. St. Anne has quite a few developments, but this one, in terms of units or rooms, this is the largest one. Alright guys, just giving you a quick update today. We will keep you guys updated on this development. Now we're just going to go through an article that gives you a quick summary of this development. Paradisiac Beach Club is a high-end beachfront residential resort situated near Ocho Rios in St. Anne Parish. Developed by Manukai Development Company, known for projects like Great Pond Estate and Pyramid Point, this community is designed to offer a blend of luxury, convenience, and natural beauty. The development offers modern 1 and 2 bedroom units, including the Sapphire model designed with contemporary aesthetics. Residents have access to private beaches, swimming pools, clubhouses, parks, and on-site dining options, all within a secure gated environment. The club is conveniently located near popular attractions such as Dunn's River Falls, Dolphin Cove, and Chucker Cove. An example of accommodations within the development is the Elite Escape Beach Club, a stylish 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom vacation home. It features modern amenities like a fully equipped kitchen, air conditioning, and a terrace. Guests also receive complimentary access to the nearby Paradisiac Beach Club. The location is the St. Anne Parish near Richmond Estate. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. We'll keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.